Hey team, I just wanted to demonstrate the automated pipeline registration features that we have built into our CI/CD platform to automatically register your APIs into the new WSO2 Gateway platform. It's actually really simple. All we need to do is create two files. So one is a Swagger service definition of the API we're deploying, and with this we need to provide an accompanying configuration file. The configuration file contains just some properties used for the governance controls within the Quantus environment and also has some basic metadata properties. So if you look at this config file here, you can see that we only have a couple of basic properties configured for this API. The Swagger file here is mostly standard. There are some unique things in here due to this API being hosted as a Lambda, but for most of it, it is just a stock standard Swagger file. A key part of this solution involves some custom plugins built into our CI/CD platform, referred to around here as the pipeline. One of the assets required for a deployment is this landscape definition file, which is simply a YAML file which describes your infrastructure. It's very similar to a CloudFormation script. The pipeline team has helped us build a custom action for our API delivery teams, which they define in their landscape definition file. See here, it's this action. You define a stage that it runs in, and this is register API action. When this action is invoked during the deployment process, it invokes an API that the gateway team has built, which will register the API into the WSO2 API gateway. So now, when we perform a CD deployment of our code base, if we provide the required assets, that is the config file and the Swagger definition, and we include custom action in our landscape definition file, our API will automatically be published to the WSO2 API gateway. So here, if you have a look, you can see that this is a Lambda demo. And if we head into the store, we can see that this API was automatically published by the pipeline.